Mini. So I've gotten a few drones from Holy Stone, and this one I definitely wanted to take a look at to be able to show people how to fly a drone if they've never flown one before. They're inexperienced. The cool thing about this guy, he is $27. So if he takes flight in an unfortunate direction and meets a highly unfortunate end, it's no sweat off my back. He'll be able to be replaced very quickly. Got on Amazon Prime from Holy Stone Direct, and so it was $27, and he was at my house the next day. So let's unbox him and see what he comes with. Alright, so this is the contents of the box. This is the Holy Stone HS450. This is a drone marketed more towards kids, but right off the bat, I'm going to tell you, I am definitely not a kid, and I've been having an absolute blast with this little guy. You're going to have the instruction manual, battery caution stuff, comes with a full extra set of props, a tool to remove them, a screwdriver, which you'll need to get into the remote control to put the batteries in. Takes 3 AAAs, by the way. You get the drone himself, and 3 batteries, which is super cool, and 2 USB cables. One of the really nice things about the batteries, or this drone in particular, is that they have the chargers built right into the battery. So the little battery management board, you just plug in to USB with a micro B cable and plug them right in to the battery himself. Boom. Just like that. Plug them in to charge. They do not take very long to charge at all. I would say less than 10 minutes. Maybe 15 if they were completely dead. And then once they're fully charged, you're going to get about a 5 to 7 minute flight time. In normal mode, like slow, I get about 6-7 minutes, and then on the short end, if I've got him in sport mode, at about 5. You get on the lower end, especially if you're torquing him around and flying him all over the place, doing flips and stuff. I'll show you in a minute the flight characteristics of this little guy. I mean, he's perfect for like inside your house, or maybe even an office if you're lucky enough to be working in an office. You can see the battery goes here in the top, and then he's got these little sensors on the sides for doing all the obstacle avoidance. Blue light on the front, red light on the back. It does have prop guards, which is cool because, like, let's say my dogs try and snatch him out of the air, they're not going to get, lose an eye or get their nose scratched up, which is super cool. So, yeah. He's actually relatively straightforward to use. So, you just pop in a battery. I've got all these fully charged. Turn him on, set him down, wait until the lights stop flashing. So, he's got a light there and a light there. Once they stop flashing, he's ready to go. Turn on the remote, and then you go down on the throttle, then up on the throttle, real quick, or up and down, sorry, up and then down on the throttle, and then he's ready to fly, and then you just hit the one key takeoff and landing. If you notice that the drone is going, left or right or forward or just spinning, you need to calibrate the gyroscope, so all you do is hold down the gyroscope button for 3 seconds, and that'll start gyroscope calibration. One other really cool thing about this drone is that he has the ability to be just thrown into the air, and he'll take off and start hovering. It's kind of hard to demonstrate in here because I got my camera up there, but if you take him and just throw him, he just takes off. And then if you need to, you can emergency stop with these 2 buttons hit at the same time, and he'll emergency stop, as I just had to do. So, we'll take him outside, and I'll show you how he works. Alright, we're going to do a flight test of the HS450. She's actually a really stable little drone. Play with some of the features here. So can do a like a circle with a circle. Can do a flip. So to do a flip, you just hit the flip button here, and then tell it which direction to flip, which is pretty cool. And then put it in obstacle avoidance mode by holding down this button, and it'll be in obstacle avoidance mode, and you'll see he's driving over there towards the wall, see the wall, and then fly away from it. So I'll try and run him into this back wall here, and it won't let me. Try and run him head on into that wall over there, and it won't let you. It's like he bounces off an invisible wall. Very stable. Very easy to fly. Easy to land. So right now it's in the slowest mode. So it's in slow speed. It's medium speed. And high speed. It's actually got some get up and go when you put it in high speed. Alright, so that was the HS450 from Holy Stone. Good little drone. You can let it hit walls. It's nothing crazy is gonna happen. The propeller guards. Flies really stable, especially for such a small drone. You do have the, red for the back, blue for the front. A lot of really good features built into the remote control, like the multiple speeds. The obstacle avoidance is really cool. I can't even make him hit a wall when I've got the obstacle avoidance on. One key to take off and land. Again, it's super stable, and overall a really, really good drone, especially when you consider the price is only $27. If you order on Amazon, you can get it next day, and is super neat. If you have any questions, put them down in the comments. Like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. See y'all in the next one.
And we're going to do the one takeoff. There we go. Much more controllable. Still a little bit of wind out here, but he can handle it pretty good. So there's a few modes here. Obstacle avoidance I'm not going to really show because there's not really a lot of obstacles out here. But what we can do is show the flip mode. If I can keep him in frame here. So we just hit the button one time and then tell him which way to flip. So I'm going to tell him to do a backflip. See if I can get him back. He's trying hard to fly against that wind. This guy's really perfect for inside, that's for sure. Alright, well, we're going to have to emergency stop him. Got him. Sweet. You're not doing it right if you don't have to run after a drone.